Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Read the following passage from The Caged Bird. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. Based on the passage, what is the literal meaning of stalks? The stem or main axis of a plant, the slender supporting part of anything, to pursue or approach prey stealthily, to walk with measured, stiff strides. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.